What is the difference between UI designers, UX designers, and product designers? We'll understand in this video. Stay tuned. The basic difference between an UI designer, UX designer, and product designer are UI designer are more focused towards aesthetic part of it. UX designer are more focused towards the experience part of it. Product designers are the person who take care of the business goals and the user's goals and take priorities and make an amalgamation of between both. But what are the skills required for becoming each? For a UI designer, you are more focused towards the visual part of it, as I said. Visual design principles, UI principles, how colors works, how shapes are, you're more focused towards building the aesthetics part of it. If you are a UX designer, you are more focused towards the user research, the user pain points, what are the interactions which are making the users happy or not happy, looking at the experience and how the users are dealing with the problem. The product designers are the one who take care of the users' requirements as well as the business requirements and have a balance between both and try to provide a best experience possible within a package. What are the roles and responsibilities of an UI designer? Is to understand pixels, alignments, how things are perfectly, in shape, design hierarchy, visual hierarchy. Those are the responsibilities of an UI designers. It should look proper in every pages, it should look proper in every flow of the process, or it should look visually similar. That is a part and responsibility of an UI designer. UX designers are more focused towards the efficiency of a task. How much our task is taking to be executed, how much time it is taking for the errors to come, how many type of errors are there, what are the errors they are facing, and how to solve those daily experience issues within the product. That is a part of an UX design. Product designer are more focused towards how the whole product is packaged within one experience, taking care of the UI part of it, the experience part of it, and how it is, justifying the business case and the use case. They take care of the whole package and try to market the whole product into a conversion where the people start using it and how the competitors are doing it and how it can be done better with strategical content placing or strategical actions. That is the role of a product designer. But what are the challenges this individuals face? For a UI designer, the challenges are to maintain design consistency. They have to maintain a same consistency throughout an application or a product or a service they're building so that the application looks seamless and almost similar in every cases while they're using it. For a UX designer, the main challenge is to adhering to new user goals or new users ask or demands. They have to put those experiences in such a manner, in an efficient manner, and adhere to those user goals and put it into the product. That is a main challenge, and understanding what is the best way to provide that service is the most important challenge they face on a daily basis. But what are the challenges of a product designer? Product designers are understanding user goals and they are justifying for the business case. They are meeting the business use cases and goals also. They have to make a balance and try to compromise, sacrifice on a lot of things and take business decisions so that the product is viable or usable at the end of the day. Now you may ask, what should I become, an UI designer or a UX designer or a product designer? If you have a background more towards visual arts and designing, go for UI designing. It will be more suited for you. If you have a more of a psychological part of background, then you are more focused towards solving problems and try the best problem solution capabilities within you, go for a UX designer. If you have a more of a project development or a product development structure and the management part of it, go for a product designer. I hope it helped you to understand what are the differences between an UI designer and UX designer. Product designer, try to choose which is best for you. Understand what is your strong points, understand what are your weak points, and get going with your design journey. See you in the next video. I hope you really liked this video. Please leave a thumbs up if you really liked it. Comment down below if you have anything for me. Please subscribe, and I would love to hear some from you, how to improve and what to bring next. There are a couple of surprises along the way. I hope you like it. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.